In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format Google Docs resume. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional document that's easy to read and ready to send. Start in Google Docs and set up the page so everything looks polished. Go to File, then Page Setup. Choose Portrait Orientation, keep the background white, and set your margins between 1/2 inch and 1 inch. Narrower margins give you more room, but don't go so tight that the page feels crowded. Next, pick fonts that look professional and are easy on the eyes. Stick with simple choices like Arial, Calibri, Helvetica, or Georgia. For sizes, make your name the largest element at around 18 to 24 points. Set section headings to 12 to 14 points and keep body text between 10 and 12. Avoid decorative or script fonts. Clean typefaces scan better on screens and through applicant tracking systems. Your resume should follow a logical order. Start with your name and contact info, then a brief professional summary, followed by work experience, education, skills, and certifications, if you have them. Aim to keep everything to one page when possible. Format the top section so your name stands out. Center it, make it bold, and use that larger size. Place your phone number, email, and LinkedIn profile right below in a smaller size. Keep it concise and don't include sensitive personal details beyond what's needed. For section headings, use bold text and consider writing them in all caps for consistency like experience, education, and skills. Add a subtle bottom border if you like, and keep the spacing before and after each heading consistent so the page flows. When you list work experience, put your job title and company on one line and the dates on the next. Under each role, use short bullet points instead of long paragraphs. Focus on clear, outcome-driven statements and keep each bullet to 1 or 2 lines so everything is quick to scan. Tighten the spacing for readability. Go to Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing. Choose single spacing and add a bit of space after paragraphs so there's breathing room between bullets and sections. If your skills list is long, you can save space by using 2 columns. Highlight your skills, go to Format, then Columns, and choose 2. Keep each item brief and consistent. Keep the design simple. Black text, minimal color, no large graphics or tables. Clean, ATS-friendly formatting is what most recruiters prefer. Finally, save it as a PDF. Go to File, Download, and select PDF document. This locks in your formatting so it looks the same everywhere.